Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to join Binance Telegram group. First step is to download the Telegram on the desktop. Open up a preferred web browser and on the address bar type in download Telegram and click on enter. Now click on the first link which says Telegram desktop. After that, click on get Telegram for Windows button. You will get a set of file here. Click on the setup file and follow the prompt given by it. I've already downloaded it, so I won't download it again. After that, log into your account. Now open the new tab on your browser and type in Binance Telegram group and click on enter. Here you can see contact@Binance Exchange link. Click on it. Then you will get a pop-up like this. Here you need to click on Open Telegram Desktop button. Here click on Apply to Join Group. After that, you'll be added to the group once admin approves your request. So that is how you can join Binance Telegram group. Some things to keep in mind: that make sure you are joining the official Binance group to avoid scams or unofficial channels. The official group will have a large number of members and will be managed by Binance staff. Familiarize yourself with the group rules and guidelines. Engaging positivity and following the rules will enhance your experience in the community. So that is how you can join Binance Telegram group. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.